Hello everyone, how are you all? In this video, we will discuss type 4 questions of directions chapter. So questions of type 4 means shadow based questions. These are all the kind of questions where most of the students will make mistakes. So please concentrate more. Okay, most of the students will get confused. Sometimes you will not even understand the question. You will turn this side, that side, left, right, up, down and all. You will turn and see, you will not even understand. So that kind of confusing questions, I'll try to make it simple. Okay, so please concentrate. So before we start with questions, you must know basic things. What is that basic things? Now tell me, morning time after sunrise, sun will be in which direction? I am talking about SUN, sun. Morning time after sunrise, sun will be in east direction. Since sun will be in east direction, now can you tell me our shadow will fall towards which direction? Towards west direction. Okay, now evening time, sun will be in which direction? Sun will be in west direction. Evening time before sunset, sun will be in west direction. When sun will be in west direction, towards which direction our shadow will fall? Our shadow will fall towards east direction. This much basics, you know. Now let's repeat. Let me ask the same question again. Morning time, sun will be in east direction. If morning time sun will be in east direction means our shadow, you know, morning time, have you ever observed? Your shadow will fall towards which direction? Your shadow will fall towards west direction. Now, same situation, same morning time. Now tell me, you know, your shadow will fall towards west direction. What about my shadow? My shadow will fall towards west direction only. Same situation. Towards which direction your college principal shadow will fall? West only. Towards which direction Elon Musk shadow will fall? Towards west direction only. So please understand, it is not about your shadow, my shadow, somebody's shadow. Anybody's shadow on this earth. Morning time, sun will be in east direction. Shadow direction will always be opposite of sun's direction. That's why anybody's shadow on this earth, morning time, it will always fall towards west direction. Evening time, it will always fall towards east direction. Keep that in brain. That's the first point. Okay. The second point here, assume morning time sun is here. I am standing here and I am facing towards the sun. That means sun is in front of me. SUN, sun. Sun is in front of me. My shadow will fall towards which direction? My shadow will fall towards west direction. Just now we have discussed. Next. Now I will be standing there only, but instead of facing towards the sun, I will turn towards west now. Sun is towards my back side. Are you understanding? Sun is at my back now. Now tell me, my shadow will fall towards which direction? East, west, north, south? Use your brain little bit. Let me repeat the question. Earlier I was facing towards the sun. Sun was in front of me. That time shadow direction was facing towards west direction. Okay. Now instead of turning towards the sun, I turn this side. Now sun is towards my back. Now towards which direction my shadow will fall? My shadow will be towards west side only. Now let me assume I am facing towards north. That time my shadow will fall towards which direction? My shadow will fall towards west direction only. So what is the moral of the story? Even if I change my direction, my shadow direction will never change, because shadow direction will always be based on sun's direction. It is not based on my direction. So 2 points you have to understand here. Morning time, shadow direction will always be towards west side. Evening time, shadow direction will always be towards east side. That is first point. Second point, even if we change our direction, shadow direction will never change, because shadow direction will always be based on sun's direction. With this knowledge, let us start solving question related to shadows. Question number 26. One morning, Dinga and Ranga were talking to each other face to face. Face to face means, suppose if one fellow is facing this side, another fellow is facing this side. That is what the meaning of face to face. Clear? Now, at a crossing, at some place, if Dinga's shadow was exactly to the left of Ranga, towards which direction was Dinga facing? Now they are facing face to face. Somebody's shadow is falling towards left or right of someone. They are asking towards which direction Dinga is facing. If you have understood the question, before I explain this question, I want you to try this question. See, you have already understood the concept. So based on this concept, can you try? Take some time, not an issue. Even if you do mistakes, not a problem. But I want you to try. So just pause the video, try. I hope you all have tried and got the answer. Okay, let's see what is the right answer. Guys, whenever you have shadow direction based questions, you need not have to read entire question. Your concentration should be only on two words. You need only two things in this entire question. What is that? First detail what you want is whether it is morning or evening, because morning time shadow direction will be towards west side, evening time shadow direction will be towards east side. That information we need. The other information which we need is whether it is left or right. Only that is required to us. So how to solve it? Let's see. Morning time. Morning time, first of all, shadow, whether it is my shadow, your shadow, Dinga shadow, Ranga shadow, Manga shadow, anybody's shadow on this earth, morning time shadow will always fall towards the west side. This is shadow. Clear? Now, after writing this, simply draw two lines like this. Simply draw two opposite lines like this. A, B. I'll repeat. First step, see whether it is morning or evening. Morning time, shadow will be towards west side. This is shadow. Then simply draw two lines, A, B. Now go to next point. The next data which you need is left or right. Now tell me, we know this is shadow, this whatever I've written, yes, this is shadow. This shadow is, they are telling left of Ranga, left of someone. Ranga, Dinga we'll see later. Now tell me, this shadow is left of whom? This shadow is left of A or left of B? Look at this diagram and tell me. This shadow is left of B. According to our diagram, the shadow is towards left of B. According to question, the shadow is left of Ranga. So this B is Ranga. Did you all understood? B is Ranga. If B is Ranga, we know they are facing face to face. A should be Dinga. So now what is the question? Towards which direction Dinga facing? Dinga facing towards which direction? Down, means he is facing towards south. That's it. Very simple, guys. If you follow this approach, no confusion, just by drawing these three lines, you will get correct answer. Again, same rule, don't read entire question. See morning or evening? Morning. Morning means this is shadow direction. One fellow like this, another fellow like this. Simply name A, B. So we read morning and we have drawn this much. Next word we need is right. Now tell me, this shadow direction is right of A or right of B? This is towards right of A. According to us, it is right of A. According to question, it is right of Juhi. So this A is Juhi. If A is Juhi, B should be Lalli. What is the question they are asking? Towards which direction? Lalli facing. Lalli facing towards which direction? Lalli facing north. That's it. Question number 28. Same story. Evening. Evening time shadow direction will be towards east side. Then this is shadow. Then write A, B. Simply write. Then see right or left. Right. Now tell me, this shadow is right of A or B? 100% is right of B only. B is facing this side. With respect to B only, shadow is towards right side. So this, according to us, this is right of B. According to question, right of Hema. So now this is Hema, who is another girl. Rekha, Hema, Rekha, Jaya, Mattu, Shushma. So what is the question they are asking? Which direction Rekha facing? Rekha facing towards which direction? Rekha facing towards south. Question number 29. Same story. Morning. Morning means shadow will be towards this side. Okay. Now this is A, this is B. Simply write. Next, what is there? Right. Whose right? His right. Kiran's right. Now tell me, this shadow is right of A or B? This is right of A. So it is there telling right of his. His means here Kiran. So it is right of Kiran. So this A is Kiran. Now the question is, towards which direction Kiran facing? Kiran is facing towards south. That's it. Next question, evening. Evening time shadow direction will be towards east side. This is shadow. Simply write A, B. Next what we have? Exactly to our left side. Her left side. Whose left side? Kasturi's shadow was exactly to her left. So it is Kasturi's left. So now tell me, this shadow is towards whose left? A's left. In question they are telling her left. Here her means her refers to Kasturi. So it is towards A's left. So this A is Kasturi. A is Kasturi. So who is another girl? Suvarna. Suvarna. Now the question is, which direction Suvarna facing? Suvarna facing towards which direction? Suvarna facing towards north. Did you all understood? Okay guys, observe carefully. Question number 30, what is the answer? North. Question number 29, answer is south. Question number 28, answer is south. Question number 27, answer is north. Question number 26, answer is south. Observe, for every question we got answer, final answer as either north or south. So what is moral of the story? Any question related to shadows, definitely answer will be either north or it will be south. It will never be east, west, northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. Never ever. Definitely your answer will be either north or south. Assume you are trying to solve the question but you are not at all understanding. So that time, instead of marking some random answer or instead of doing inky pinky ponky and marking some answer, what do you do? Out of north and south only, just out of these two only you mark one and come. I am not sure your answer will be definitely correct, but that 50% chance is there your answer will be correct. Did you all understood? Because minimum common sense here, basic directions we already know. This is north, south, west, east. When I am facing towards north, towards my right side east is there, towards my left side west is there. Morning time shadow will be towards west side, evening time shadow will be towards east side. This west and east should come towards my left or right, means either I should be facing towards north or I should be facing towards south. That's it. Then only this will be towards my left or right. So that's why your answer will be either north or south. Next question. It is an AMCAT question. Very important question. Amit started walking, positioning his back towards the sun. Suppose sun is in east side, means he is going towards west side. Sun is in west side, means he is going towards east side. Now here they have not given whether it is morning or evening. Guys, any question related to shadows, definitely situation will be either morning or evening. Afternoon, midnight and all they will not give. Did you all understood? Because midnight sun only will not be there. Afternoon sun will be on the top. He is going, positioning his back towards the sun, means the sun will be on the top. He should go deep into the earth. He will die. Did you all understood? So only two situations is either situation will be morning or it will be evening. In question, see, till now we solved some 4-5 questions. In every question they have given morning, evening, very clearly they had given. But in this they have not given whether it is morning or evening. So let's take both possibilities. It can be morning or it can be evening. Morning time sun will be in east direction. Evening time sun will be in west direction. So Amit started walking, positioning his back towards the sun, means he is going away from the sun. So morning time means he will go like this. Evening time means he will go towards this side. Next, simultaneously let me draw the diagrams so that you will understand clearly. After some time he turned to his left. He is going like this, he turned to his left, means this side. Again he is going like this, he turned to his left, means upside. He turned to his left and then turned right. He is going like this, his right will be this side. He is coming like this, his right will be this side. And towards left again. So towards left again. He is going like this, left means this side. He is going like this, his left means this side. So now the question is, in which direction is he facing now? In this diagram, now he is facing towards south. According to this diagram, he is facing towards north. We exactly don't know whether it is morning or evening. So that's why it can be south or north. So now let's see answer option. What's your answer? Option A. So north or south. So this is how you can solve it. This is one way. Another way, just in previous slide only we have discussed, right? Any question related to shadows, definitely your answer will be north or south. So without doing this much circus, directly you can mark the answer north or south. That's it. Guys, in this chapter, total we have solved 31 questions. I am 100% sure if you have understood and if you have solved all the questions, that is more than enough to solve any question related to directions of any interview. Trust me. Guys, I hope till now whatever you have discussed, you have understood. Some questions I am not displaying company name, but many questions I have displayed company name. Guys, 90% of the questions whichever I solved in this videos or in this video series, all are placement questions. Means all the questions were asked in one or other company. That is what the kind of questions I have taken. So there is lot of effort involved in collecting the questions, making the video, editing the video and uploading this video. So my only request is please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for your time.